filming my TikTok trend. I get a flat tire and my car overheating. That's fun.
Yesterday.
Boy, if you don't get... Nah, something punctured it on my... Because it was fine when I left the job and everything. Something got in there. Which is all fun.
You started driving when you saw it?
Yeah, I have it on camera. Like, I must have the best luck this week. Pulled over, flat tire. Yo. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with my luck. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know what's wrong with my luck, but shit is immaculate. Immaculate. Goddamn, too close. My fault.
What's good, YouTube? I'm sick. Next morning, we're gonna go drop off the car or whatever. Yeah, no, it's a flat tire. I'm gonna show y'all. This shit flat.
Yeah, this is like a flat tire. So. Come on, bro. How much more do I need to spend on you?
Telling you, it's all fun and games until your car starts throwing fits randomly and shit. So. We're almost there, man. We're almost there. Almost there.
Nah, one of my tires just went flat.
Is it now?
Yeah, it's at 2 psi.
Did you see the nail yourself?
Did I what?
Did you see it yourself, like where the nail is located in the tire? Nah. What's your phone number? Rudy?
Yes, sir.
Alright, is it the 2018 Infiniti Q50?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
It's just
Let's see here. 3 hour wait time right now. We don't got back there.
Yeah, that's fine, man. I'll head home.
You drop it off?
Yeah. 2 weeks ago I came in because I thought the car was kind of overheating.
Yeah.
And it was like the gauge was acting up or whatever. I was wondering, can you guys check if it's my thermostat sensor or the thermostat itself?
Got any codes in the car? You gotta check engine light or anything like that?
Nah, nothing.
I'm not gonna lie to you, it's like this. I could take it in, I could look at it, but if I can't get the car to do the same exact thing, and if there's no code in the computer, I'm gonna be pretty much at a loss.
Dropped it off and everything. Now I got a go call for my ride to come pick me up. This is fun. This is fun, you see. This is fun. Y'all heard what they said.
Dealership's supposed to be taking care of shit like that, but dealership not gonna take care of shit like that because they don't want to fix the car. Actually dropped off at work. Car still in the shop.
Who said a flat tire would stop me? I just got my car dropped off. Hey, there's my baby. Thank you. You're fucking stupid. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I got Z back. I love having Z, man. Alright. Put my hat back where it's supposed to be. Tire's all fixed up. Nope.